Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, stunning short haircuts for women over 50 and 60. Hairstyles are not just about looks, they're a celebration of personality, confidence, and elegance. If you're looking for a fresh and modern haircut that enhances your natural beauty while being easy to maintain, you're in the right place. From classic bobs to stylish pixie cuts, we'll explore the best short hairstyles that will make you feel fabulous at any age. So, whether you're ready for a bold transformation or just looking for inspiration, stay tuned. As we embrace this vibrant stage of life, short hairstyles offer the perfect blend of sophistication and ease. Let's start with the timeless classic, the short blunt bob. This sleek and structured cut never goes out of style. Its sharp edges create a polished look, making it perfect for both casual outings and formal occasions. If you're looking for something effortlessly chic, this haircut is a fantastic option. Next up, we have the soft layered crop, a flattering style that adds volume and texture to your hair. With gentle layers that create natural movement, this haircut works beautifully on straight and wavy hair alike. It's perfect for those who want a low-maintenance yet stylish look that enhances their features. For those who love a bit of playfulness, the curly shaggy bob is a great choice. This fun and bouncy hairstyle brings out your lively personality, adding volume and dimension to your hair. Its carefree, tousled curls make it a fantastic option for a youthful and energetic look. Looking for something classic yet elegant? The classic bob with soft curls is a go-to style for many women. It frames the face beautifully, softening your features while giving you a sophisticated edge. Whether you're dressing up for a special event or just going about your day, this haircut is sure to complement any look. For those who prefer a sleek and polished appearance, the chin-length bob is a timeless choice. This hairstyle exudes confidence and elegance, making it an ideal option for women who want a modern yet refined look. It's perfect for any occasion, whether you're heading to a formal dinner or running errands in style. The curled French bob is another chic option that adds a touch of European charm. With soft curls framing the face, this haircut highlights your best features and gives you a sophisticated, yet playful, look. It's a versatile style that works well for different occasions and hair types. If you love a bit of edge, the textured crop with the side part is a stylish choice. This trendy haircut gives your hair a fresh, modern twist while adding volume and depth. It's a great way to switch things up without going for a drastic change. For those who want something effortless yet fashionable, the short layered shag is an excellent choice. This haircut adds movement and texture, making it easy to style while still looking put together. It suits various face shapes and hair types, making it a versatile and stylish option for women over 50 and 60. If you're looking for something playful and trendy, the messy textured bob is a must-try. Its tousled layers create an effortlessly stylish look that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're going for a casual day out or a more polished evening style, this haircut can do it all. The sleek short bob with side bangs is another sophisticated choice that frames the face beautifully. The side bangs add a touch of modern flair while keeping the overall look classy and elegant. If you want a chic hairstyle that's easy to maintain and always stylish, this one is for you. For those who love short and bold styles, the shaggy pixie cut is a fantastic option. This playful haircut adds volume and movement, making it a great choice for those who want a fresh, youthful look. It's easy to maintain and style, perfect for women who want a carefree yet fashionable cut. Last but not least, the choppy pixie cut is an exciting and stylish choice. This haircut brings a fun and edgy vibe to your look, making it perfect for both casual and formal settings. It's a low-maintenance style that still allows you to express your personality with flair. With so many fantastic short haircuts to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect one that suits your style and personality. Whether you prefer a sleek bob, a playful shag, or a modern pixie, these hairstyles celebrate confidence and beauty at any age. Thank you for watching. We hope you found inspiration for your next haircut. Let us know in the comments which style is your favorite or if you have any go-to short hairstyles of your own. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest beauty and fashion tips. Until next time, stay stylish and confident.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.